gonna do a little DIY today with some photographs that I'm selling, and I want to show you something that you could do with them if you wanted to. So these are a sample envelope that I make to put the pictures into. And inside the envelope are several different pictures with different sayings on them. In the pack, in each envelope, I put 8 of these photographs that I have taken over time. You get these for $8.95, free shipping. Free shipping, and right now I'm doing a special for Christmas. If you want to purchase this, I will give you a second pack free, pay the shipping, so you'll get 2 for the price of 1. So those are the photographs that I'm using in my pack that I send out. I like this one, so I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I got this canvas at Dollar Tree. It's a 6x8. The picture is a 4x6. I am using Waverly chalk paint in the color of cashew. I have this really awesome brush holder that I got at Dollar Tree. Got all my brushes in there. Chalk paint is really thick. Sure to get the outside edges painted. I'm blowing my paint dry so I can get on with the DIY. If you're in a hurry, you can use a blow dryer to dry your paint. The next thing I'm going to do is put Mod Podge on here. Okay, so that's ready. Now I'm going to put my picture on here. There we go. So I'm trying to give it that canvasy brush stroke look. All right, I'm going to let that dry. All right, so I'm going to just finish this off with a little bling, country style. Aren't those just really pretty? So this is just one suggestion that you can do with these beautiful handmade gift items from Wisdom with Age line. The description will have information on how to get a hold of me to order your Wisdom with Age line inspirational cards. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY. Have an awesome day. May God stay with you always, and see you next time. This is where I've decided to put it.